He comes for shopping in this market. They love to play cricket. He plays cricket on that field. He wastes his time. They go to university regularly. She knows how to sing a song. We see them every week. Black bear. A big black bear bit a big black bug. I don't know how to wash the dishes. Concer's batch starts next Monday. They go to the office by car. Does he know how to write an application? I know how to develop web applications. I enjoy learning English listening skills. I saw Susie. I saw Susie sitting in a shoe shine shop. He doesn't hate the honest man. If you don't brush your teeth daily, your teeth decay. I play cricket every morning. Do you like green leafy vegetables? It's true that you don't want to help me. If she calls me, tell her to wait in the park. I don't like flying kites. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. He speaks Hindi in India and English in America. If you press the button, the fan turns on. The earth revolves around the sun. I know that you are not honest. All say that honesty is the best policy. Do you know that he is ready to marry you? Do you know that his cow doesn't give milk? My wife doesn't know how to prepare coffee. What do you do for me? Since you are rich, I want your help. How do people cheat on their own families? I do a lot of things for you. Don't you know that your son didn't get a job yet? Doesn't your brother help you? My dog doesn't bark at night but barks during the day. What do you keep? Don't you tell me the secret? I watched this movie 8 times. My nature is not so loving and caring. Do you quarrel with each other? Do you think that I do so? I feel the same that you feel. Do you shut your eyes when you see the naked scene of the evils of society? The president comes here tomorrow. The match starts tomorrow. When does the chief minister return? The examination starts on Monday. What does he want to eat? When do you read? Cows give milk. The cow gives milk. Why don't you cry? It usually rains every day here. He washes his bike on Monday. You work at night. He works during the day. I want to go for a picnic. Why don't you want to go to Jehanabad? He goes to Marina Beach every summer. What do you want to eat? Do you know how to read a newspaper? I visit a temple at least once a week. He reads his books. He keeps his notebooks under the bed. He thinks he is very handsome. Doesn't he know how to read? I know how to read an application but don't know how to write. My son lives in Bangalore. They talk too much. My friends shout in the ground. He walks slowly. Ram goes to the market every Sunday. He drives a school bus. The police wear their uniform. Why do I not go to school? We wash our clothes in the washing machine. They run 5 miles every evening. She knows how to make me happy. His mother loves him very much. He works without taking a break. He behaves badly with him. The driver drives the bus. He sells clothes in that market. His father knows you very well.